do? What's up? KDiani here in the cut. And I know I look crazy right now, but we about to do my hair anyways. But today is basically another video based off of hair sent by Amazon. It is Passion Twist hair again. It is 18-inch pre-twisted Passion Twist hair, 6 pieces, color M1B30, meaning like it's like kind of like my hair right now, dark brown, and then it goes into a light brown. So really feeling that. It's 6 packs of hair in here, and I think each of them contain like 18 pieces. Hopefully it can fill up my whole head, but if it don't, I think I still have a little bit of hair left over from the previous Passion Twist hair that I used in my previous video also. But if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you press that subscribe button and join the KD gang. You know what I'm saying? KDiani gang. On period. Okay? So, I already washed my hair, blow dried it, blase, you know, got the thing all jumping or whatever. And now we just gonna get to sectioning. We're gonna get to sectioning, how we're gonna do this, because I don't even know how I'm gonna do this, but anyways, I always start in the bike. And then I'm gonna have this in the back. But that's not what we use it. Grab your little rat tail comb, and I'm gonna just do a straight line. Hopefully it's a straight line, but you know, your girl can't see behind her head. So boom. What I'm going to be using is the Camille Rose Almond J Twist and Butter, Sweet Almond Milk and Honey, and then I'm going to use the Camille Rose Moisture Milk. This is rice milk and macadamia oil. So we're going to be using Camille Rose in my head. First thing first. Rest in peace, Uncle Phil. For real. Alright. Got some edge control. Then you're gonna grab your rat tail comb and you're gonna create your first box. So basically I should have 3 boxes back here. Right? Right. Put your rat tail comb. Let me teach y'all something. Ooh, hold that in place. Y'all know y'all can do that, huh? Put y'all on. Now we're gonna grab the Camille Rose Twist and Butter. Put that along in my hair. Make it all nice, moisturized. You don't have to necessarily use these hair products per se, but I want to because I want to see what it's gonna do to my hair. Oh, well, would you look at this? I really thought this hair just came like untwisted, but it came twisted like all the way to the bottom. So, Kayla, what you gonna do? Yeah. I am so like disappointed because I'm pretty sure I chose Passion Twist, but I wanted to put it in myself, and this is like really tight for a Passion Twist. Oh my god. 1 second, please. So, alright, I figured out exactly what I was gonna do. I actually cut the ends of the hair off, not a long piece, but just some, so that I can unravel it. Now what I'm gonna do is grab 3 pieces of hair. 3 pieces of hair. These are 3 pieces. And I'm going to cut it down the middle. I hope that was the middle. I got 6 pieces now. Then it goes, at the end is light brown, but one of them I want it to be light brown, dark brown, and then on the opposite side is light brown. So basically like interchangeable. Separate your hair into 3 sections like you're going to braid. Alright, so I have 3 pieces, right? Then I'm going to grab this hair and put it back here. I'm going to grab 1 piece. 1 piece is going to be alone, and then another piece. And I'm going to just braid it into my hair. And I'm basically going to braid so that it can be secure. Afterwards, I'm going to just flip it around, bring that my hair that I left out and blend it in there, and I'm going to twist. Just twist. I'm going to use some of the butter in here since my hair is in there and I want it to be moisturized. I'm just going to twist. And boom. That's 1 twist. And the reason being why I cut the hair in half was that so it can be chunky. So it's like a chunky passion twist, okay? So then now we're going to go to the second box and I'm going to demonstrate again. Same thing, I have 3 pieces. One end has light brown. The other end that has light brown, I'm gonna flip it the other way, and then it's gonna be light brown on this side again. Got it? Look at that, guys, like really cute. And like it's not a lot of tension or anything, like it's like really light. Then I'm going to do the rest of my hair. Probably when I get more to the front, I'll show you guys how I do the front. But these are like really cute. I really like it though. Like I wish my hair was thick enough so I can do these type of chunky twists in my hair. So this is the part that I didn't show you guys, where I grab like the actual pre-twisted hair scissors and I literally just cut the ends off. Then once I cut the ends off, I'll just unravel the hair, and this is how easy it is to like unravel. 1 second. Like I just pull it apart type thing, and I do that for each of these. And like to make them chunky also, you want to make sure like you kind of like fluff the hair out. So I'm going to show you guys how I fluff it out, because like look, this isn't fluffy enough. It's like really tight and like bouncy. So I just grab all 3 and I just do one of these little like tugs, and you can see like the volume. It stretches out more and then it just gets more volume. Like it gets rid of that shape, that tight shape it once had. You know what I'm saying? So we're going back to, we're gonna make it even. This time we're gonna make it even. We're gonna make it even. And then we're going to cut the hair down the middle. And then that's what's gonna make, the 3 pieces that you need for your head. So 3, 3. Alright y'all, so this is the final look of this hairstyle. I really love it. It's like super cute. This is my first time ever having like a chunky twist hairstyle. I've never had like chunky twists. I've been wanting to do this with my own hair, but I don't got that much hair on my head, so not happening. But guys, let me tell you about the hair. So it's actually not like the hair I used in my previous video. This hair is more coarse, like it has the ability to hold the hair like this, like, you know, hold the twist in your head in place, and it won't unravel easily unless you like separate it and pull it apart. Of course it's gonna unravel, but as far as like unraveling on its own, it won't do that. So this type of hair, I do like it for that reason. Like this isn't your traditional passion twist. Like this is more like chunky passion twist, you know what I'm saying? But it's like really cute. I do like the hair. It didn't have any scent to it when I opened the packaging, when I put it in my head or anything. And then in the bag that they sent me 6 of these, and I used 3, and then I opened the 4th one to just take 2 strands out, basically to do the last 2 pieces in the front, and that's about it. So technically speaking, if I wanted to do this hairstyle again, I definitely have hair left over to do it. And when I said that I could have used the hair from the previous video if I didn't have enough to do this hairstyle, I definitely could not have, because the texture is just so different. But This company did send me a crochet needle in the bag, a mirror, 2 pink clips, and like 4 jewel pieces. Really cute. What they didn't put inside the bag, which I wish they did, was the name of the company. But I believe on Amazon I seen it was called Levin hair, Levin. Everything's gonna be in the description box. Everything I use, from the Camille Rose products up to the hair that I used that the company sent me on Amazon. But with that being said, like, y'all just let me know, like, do you guys like this hairstyle? Do you like the technique that I use? Because I was quite puzzled when I first opened the package and I seen how the hair came. I never like used hair like that on my head, so being that I used it and it gave me like such great results makes me like super happy. But that about wraps up this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and most of all, don't forget to share the video. You know what I'm talking about? Help a sister out. She ain't got enough funds to get her hair done, but she got enough to purchase the hair. She can do a quick hairstyle like this, cute, easy. It's really easy. Protective style. You know what I'm saying? I'm all about protective style. It's like, I love protective style. I love it. But till next time, muchos besitos.